Experience the pinnacle of DJ control with our state-of-the-art DJ controller. Elevate your mixing and performance to new heights with unparalleled precision and versatility. Engineered for both beginners and seasoned professionals, this controller offers an intuitive interface that streamlines your workflow, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, the music. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best DJ controllers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Pioneer DJ Rev1, your ultimate DJ battle companion. Ranked as the number 5 best DJ controller, the Pioneer DJ Rev1 is a game-changer for open format and scratch DJs. It recreates the magic of a professional DJMS mixer and PLX turntable setup, innovatively blending tradition with modernity. What sets the DJ Rev1 apart is its groundbreaking design. The tempo sliders now sit horizontally on top, just like PLX turntables in battle mode. The performance pads and lever FX paddles are ingeniously integrated into the mixer section, mirroring the DJMS series. Plus, the jog wheels are larger than ever before, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned pros alike. Scratching enthusiasts will love the tracking scratch feature, allowing automatic cue point return with backward jog wheel movement. No more fumbling with crossfaders. You can trigger samples instantly using the performance pads, now loaded with Serato DJ Light Scratch Bank, a feature usually exclusive to Serato DJ Pro. But the real game changer is the price. Only $279. No need for external sound cards or mixers for adding vocals. Just plug in your microphone and go live. The DJ Rev1 redefines DJing for the digital age while honoring the roots of battle-style mixing. Meet the Roland DJ 202, the undisputed number 4 best DJ controller on the market. This powerhouse of innovation brings the grandeur of a full-size professional controller into a compact, portable, and rugged package. Whether you're a globe-trotting DJ, studio virtuoso, or party enthusiast, the DJ 202's unparalleled flexibility is your ticket to DJing, remixing, and beat production nirvana. Harness the mighty TR drum machine legacy with the DJ 202, faithfully recreating iconic sounds from hip-hop to trap using Roland's analog circuit behavior technology. Scratch and cue with supreme confidence on the DJ 202's low-latency platters, while Serato DJ controls let you create hot cues, loops, and samples effortlessly. And the best part? Every DJ 202 includes a free upgrade to Serato DJ Pro. Take your performance to the next level with DJ 202's 16-step sequencer, sync seamlessly with Serato, and explore endless remixing possibilities. Upgrade to Serato DJ for even more production firepower. All this innovation comes at a mind-blowing price of just $515. Unleash your inner DJ superstar with the Hercules DJ Control Inpulse 500, ranked as the number 3 best DJ controller. This sleek and powerful DJ controller is your ultimate ticket to the world of electrifying music mixes. Loaded with features, it's your full-featured, precision-crafted companion for DJing and live performances. The high-definition jog wheels, with an easy-to-use ring, provide unmatched control. Plus, the audio interface boasts cutting-edge Velvet Sound AKM technology, ensuring pristine sound quality. Built like a fortress, it sports a sturdy metal backing plate, rubber RGB pads, non-slip retractable feet, and more. The DJ Control Inpulse 500 also ensures mixing is a breeze with its intuitive light guides. But that's not all. You get 2 incredible DJ programs, Serato, DJ Lite, and Dejuiced, included, along with interactive beat match guides and video tutorials. Connectivity is a breeze with USB, RCA, and jack ports. Elevate your mixing game with solid retractable feet and protect your setup from spills. Priced at just $262. Elevate your DJ game with the Native Instruments Traktor Kontrol S4 Mark III, the second best DJ controller on the market. This powerhouse device revolutionizes the way you interact with your tracks. Its motorized jog wheels not only respond to your touch with precision, but also transmit essential information like cue points and loop markers right to your fingertips. The vibrant RGB LED rings and high-res color displays keep all crucial details within easy reach. freeing you to focus on your mix. The Traktor Kontrol S4 boasts versatile motorized jog wheels, intuitive visual feedback, and an integrated pro-grade audio interface with multiple inputs and outputs. Seamless integration with Traktor Pro 3 software ensures a seamless workflow. Experience the haptic drive for tactile feedback, unleash Deck FX for creative effects, and trigger cues and loops effortlessly with 16 RGB pads. With an impressive $970 price tag, this controller is a game changer for DJs looking to take their skills to the next level. Say hello to the Pioneer DJ 800, the undisputed champion of DJ controllers. Packed with cutting-edge features and a design that screams pro, this is the ultimate DJ setup for the modern music maestro. First off, the DJ 800 inherits the same club-style layout and dazzling color-on-jog displays as its big brother, the DJ 1000. But here's the kicker. It's 2.8 pounds lighter, making it the perfect companion for DJs on the move. Ever had nightmares about feedback ruining your show? Fear not! The DJ 800 boasts the feedback reducer feature, a lifesaver for MCs and guest speakers. It'll magically tame those howling microphone mishaps and keep your audio crystal clear. What's more, this controller effortlessly connects to external sources, letting you apply Sound Color FX, Beat FX, EQs, and trim for a unique and mind-blowing performance every time. But that's not all. The customizable color LCD on jog display lets you keep your eyes on the music, not your computer. And with Feeling Adjust, you can customize your jog wheel resistance for the perfect scratching experience. Don't forget the 16 backlit performance pads, Beat FX, and Key Shift for endless creative possibilities. Plus, Rekordbox DVS compatibility for low-latency scratching and the convenience of plug-and-play. The DJ 800 will set you back $839, but trust us, it's worth every penny. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech content. I also want to encourage you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the video. I love hearing from my viewers and getting your feedback. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.